The jury compensates you $5 million. What's the first thing the defense attorney is going to do immediately after the jury comes back with their verdict? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The very first thing that the defense attorney is going to ask the judge to do is dismiss your verdict. Now, how could that be true? The fact is, once the jury comes back with their conclusions, with their decisions, with their verdict about how much compensation you are going to receive, the very first thing the defense attorney is going to do is he's going to stand up and say, Your Honor, I object to this verdict. I ask that the court dismiss and throw out this jury verdict. Why? Because it's against the weight of the evidence. And now the judge has to make a decision about whether or not to agree or disagree with the defense's argument. In all likelihood, the judge is going to tell the defense attorney that if he has objections to the verdict, to put them in papers known as post-trial motions. And then he'll be able to make a decision, an educated decision, based upon the actual papers, based upon the actual transcript that went on in this particular case. Oftentimes, the judge is not going to make an off-the-cuff ruling or decision dismissing and throwing out a jury verdict based upon what went on during the course of a trial. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the trial process. So now if you decide to bring a lawsuit, don't be surprised that if a jury gives you a verdict in your favor, the first thing the defense attorney is going to do is ask the judge to dismiss that verdict. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, whether it's for an accident case or a medical malpractice case or even a wrongful death matter, and you do have legal questions here in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.